Let's make chorizo stuffed wontons. Get the sauce out of the way, mix vegan sour cream, your favorite salsa, some green onions or cilantro, and your favorite hot sauce. Boom, done. Saute half a pack of BE-Hive chorizo, then add half a can of vegetarian refried beans and a little water to help it move. Mix until you have a delicious spicy paste. Add some cilantro and green onions and let it cool so you don't burn your little fingers. Get your pack of wrappers out and a small dish of water to wet your fingers and to wet the dough. Put a tablespoon of filling in and then press to seal. Do this over and over until you run out of filling. Shallow fry your snack packets until golden brown on both sides. Drain them on a rack or some paper towels until you're ready to serve. Serve with your sauce and you're a cool hors d'oeuvre boy now. You can put anything in these crispy dudes. Seriously, anything you want. Have fun and get dippin'. Let's make BE-Hive vegan mozzarella sticks. At least 8 hours before you're gonna do this, you need to cut up your cheese into sticks and freeze it. This helps them not melt out when you fry. Get 3 bowls out, fill one with panko, Italian herbs, and red pepper flakes. Fill another with flour, garlic powder, and salt both of them. In the third, make a batter with the water and the flour mixture. Be smarter than me and use much bigger bowls. You wanna have one wet hand and one dry hand. Double coat your cheese, dry, wet, then pack on the panko. The double coat helps really seal in the mozzarella. It's gonna get messy, but I swear it's worth it, just like life. Once you've breaded all your sticks, it's time to fry. Fry until golden and take them out if the cheese starts to leak out. Serve up with your favorite red sauce, and now you can take over the world with the legendary secret of the vegan mod stick. Look at that pull. Here at the BE-Hive, we love Bibimbap. First, let's make the super important sauce. Mix garlic, gochujang, sesame oil, sugar, sesame seeds, and water until smooth. Open up a pack of BE-Hive slices and cut them into strips, as thick or as thin as you want. Separate the slices and marinate in soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, garlic, and ginger. Let it sit while you make your toppings and some rice. You can make some shiitake mushrooms. We also did some carrots and a little bit of spinach. Honestly, it's whatever you like. Saute your marinated seitan and you're ready to build. Arrange all your tasty goods in little piles over your rice. Put a little spinach there, maybe a little carrot. Got some zucchini and some mushrooms. A little pickled radish and lots of sauce. And hell, why not some kimchi? And there you have it. Mix it all up and enjoy.